Okay. Hello, buddies. My name is Isaac. I'm from Shannon Henry Machinery Manufacturer Limited Company. Today, I would like to make an introduction for a special loader, which is called a skid steer loader, which is it's same as a board like the Bobcat brand. So at my backside, this particular model, the red one, compared with the regular loader, and this skid steer loader is it's different design. Even the fabrication is different, completely different compared with the normal loader. And the design, the fabrication, even the engine power, and also about the bucket, it seems same as about. So normally we, based on requirement from our customer, we help them to purchase other construction machinery like the loader, forklift, or excavator. So today I would like to make a detailed introduction for you to understand how how the responsible we paid attention to, and the processing for the inspection and the decision to purchase this particular the loader for our clients. Okay. Okay, now I would like to show you. So like this particular model is not so small. It's very, I think it's a middle scale compared with the such others mini skid steer loader. This one, I think the performance and the function is more stable and reliable. So that's why we give our clients more suggestion to select this one. And like this bucket, the loader bucket is 0.4 cubic meters. Is 0.4 cubic meters, the maximum capacity, and the loader weight for this bucket is about 750 kilograms. Yeah, and with our customer requirement. With our customer requirement, we equipped with this loader the air conditioner. So you can see here on the top of this one, here is the compressor. Is the compressor for the air conditioner. So the times you sit inside and to try to operate this machine, so you will there will be air conditioner inside. Okay, I will open this one. If you like this one, this loader, normally the door of the loader is in front. It's in front here, not at the side surface. No. Okay. You see, you can see the door open is by this hydraulic rod. So there's no need for you to use power to push it out. This one is very easy. See, very easy, because there's a hydraulic rod inside. And over here is and if you would like to operate this loader, this skid steer, you normally will use this one. There are two, right? There are two, the left and the right one, and try to change the direction and move forward or move back. And sometimes before you plan to Later I will show you. And this one, you see, this one is the air conditioner. The wind out, you know, the wind exit. The wind exit with the cool wind will come out from these fans. Very beautiful. And you can see the seat. We take use the leather seat. Very beautiful. Okay. And glass is also very beautiful. And this one's window closed. And this one's window closed. Yeah. Sometimes if you like to get more wind from outside, you can open this glass, right? Huh? Mm. Mm. And as you can see now, the times you plan to drive this loader, the steer, and you have to use this arm to push it, to bend this arm onto your body. So later I will try to drive it and operate it for you. And you can, from this side, you can see the fabrication. You can see our welder, like the bucket, very solid. And also the weld parts is very solid. And this one is a reinforcement for the iron to support this bucket is more solid. And you can see the joint part for the piston. The piston with the bucket. You can see we use more how to say, the space welding together, and you can check our welding. It's very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. You can see very strong and very beautiful. And also we will put more reinforcement and try to connect each other with the move parts, you know, with the move parts. And the most important I want to introduce is these arms. It's these arms. You can see the arms design. We have the invention for the arms, for this arms design, so it can support, it can bear more, you know, more how to say, more loading power. More loading power. The arms can bear more loading power. Nice. And you can see very strong, very strong. Even the, you know, every processing all the welding location is very, very professional and beautiful and beautiful. And even this hydraulic cylinder, we also enlarge the power of the hydraulic cylinder to be more big one, so it can support more power. You can see this one is the air conditioner, the compressor outside, on the top of the driving cabs. Even the tires, the two tires, you can see the size is 10 to 16.5. And try to inspect whether this particular skid steer loader is strong or not. You have to pay more attention to like this arm parts, this big arm, because this arm is easy to be bent if the design is not scientific. Okay, and also for this one is the loader, you know, the most bearing location of this loader. So you can see our, you know, the fabrication, even the body steel we take use, even the welder is more important. It's more important. Yes. And even here, we give the customer alarm, you know, the backup alarm when you try to. can see the back design. And here is for the, how to see, is the heat, you know, when the engine is working a long time, so it will be produce, bring too much heat. It will be reduce the heat for the engine. So we made a design like the net, you know, the net subject. I tried to open this back around. I opened the back cover, and you can see we use the heat protection system. It can be prevent the heat from an outside for the engine to protect the engine, and even we, you know, this box is for the heat reducer. Okay, and you can see the fabrication and the components. We use the iron, also very strong, and you know, it's very solid, very solid. Okay, and the engine for this diesel engine, we use almost 37 kilowatts. It's very big. It's very big diesel engine, and the brand is Zhejiang Xinchai diesel engine. This series of the diesel engine is very reliable and stable. It can last a long year, last a very long times. I can show you. I'm not fake. I can show you. Sorry, I will focus. Sorry, I will use my arms to show you. Okay, later I will check whether it's clear or not, but I think it's clear. Okay, I think it's clear. I think the power is, you can see clearly, 37 or 36.7 kilowatts. Yes. Okay. It's the brand new engine. Here is the heart of this loader. Very new one. Very new one. Because this series of the Xinchai diesel engine is very stable and very reliable. The fabrication design is, you know, very good. And this one is for the engine oil mouse. So the times you plan to maintain it, you will try to, you know, open this one and fill the engine oil. Okay. And this one is for the case is for the filling fuel. You see? All right. The crush out engine before the filling fuel. Do not fill the fuel when the engine is running and is smoking or fireplace. So it's giving you the warning. And this one, you see, it's more easy to open and fill the fuel. Okay. Okay, so later I will give you some operating video. Hello dear friend, and this one is called a mixing bucket. This mixing bucket is driven by the hydraulic pump, and you know the function of this mixing bucket normally is working together with the skid steer, a loader. And I want to show you, introduce the specification for this mixing bucket. The mixing bucket. The capacity of the mixing drum is 0.3 cubic meters, and the weight is about 380 kilograms. The length is 1.2 meters. The width is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. So it's very nice. It's normally we all equipped, you see, with the hydraulic pump. This hydraulic pump will be running and drive the chains here, and drive the chains inside, and so it will be mixing inside and mixing. This one is mixing shaft, and over here is the arms for the mixing, and you can see all the arms is you see is solid one. You can see the iron, the steel iron is solid. It's a solid one. Okay. And this net can be open. This net can be open like this one, right? It can be open. And this is normal. Okay. And there's only one shaft. And this one is the complete shaft. In the middle, right? In the middle. And also the arms is solid one. It's solid iron, solid steel. And with the requirement from our customer, we design this, this mouse exact, you see. And open now, open. Okay, with this handle arms can open the exact. And also this one is a channel for the concrete material come out from the mouse, this bucket. This one is a channel. So this channel will be contact with here, over here. So the concrete material will drop down from the exit out. I will show you the video. Okay, this bucket very nice. It will equipped with this skid steer loader. So the times you plan to use the mixing bucket, you will remove this loader bucket. From there. It's very easy to be just unlock it, and then remove it and put on the mixing bucket for using this one. The skid steel loader, very beautiful, you see. And this one is more powerful. It's very powerful, very powerful. Very powerful. Here is the loader bucket, and tire. This one the door gate, for you go inside. And this one is a compressor for the air conditioner. All right.